Hello friends, we are solving the question of engineering mathematics from test series 1. These questions come from the calculus. Now what he is asking, he is giving a vector of force x minus 3y I plus y minus 2x into z. It means the direction of force in xy plane. And what is the, he is just giving a line C and is the line from 0 to 0 to 3 1. Then what he asking? He asking the integration of f dot dr. Now, first we want to the line segment from 0 to 0 to 3 1. And how can you find? You know, y minus y1 equal to x1 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to x minus x1. Okay, this is the formula by which we find the line. Then how? What is the lines comes? Y minus y1 equal to 0 equal to y2 1 minus 0 upon x2 3 minus 0 x minus 0. It's become y equal to x by 3. This is your line. Okay, now to find the solution, we can say x equal to 3y. This is your line. First, so after the integration, after the differentiate of line, what it become? Dx. What is the dx? It's become 3dy. Okay, so what he asking? He asking that f dot dr. So we can write f dot dr is, I'm talking the integration from y in with respect to the y-axis. It means 0 to 1. Why I am taking the 0 to 1? Because just see, friend, the line vary in y-axis from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. If I am saying line vary in y-axis 0 to 1. So if you want to integrate to take x-axis, then in x-axis what happen? It's vary from 0 to 3. 0 to 3. So now in this question I just find the integration from in y-axis 0 to 1. What is the f value? F value is 3 minus 3y is equal to 3 dy plus y minus 6y dy. Why I am writing the y equal to x equal to 3y from this? This is your first equation. This is your second equation. I put x equal to 3y and dy dx equal to 3 dy in this equation. Now if you solve it, then what will happen? Y equal to 0 to 1. If I solve it, this is become minus 5 by d5. And what if the integration of y is become minus 5 y square by 2 0 to 1, and if you put the 1 by 2, it means 1 by 5 by 2. This is your answer. So again, friend, if you want to find the integration by taking the dx, then you put the value of dy in term of dx and the integration limits change. What is the integration limit? Then 1 become from x equal to 0 to 3, and you can solve it. This is your second option to solve the problem. So the answer of this problem is minus 5 by 2. If you see in our option, this is the D. So the answer is D. Thank you.